How to format a hard drive or USB. There are multiple ways to format a hard drive or USB. In this demonstration we will go over two methods. One will format and erase data on the entire selected device, and is user-friendly. The second method that will be demonstrated is a little more complex, and will only convert your drive to NTFS, but should not delete or lose any data, as long as the drive you are converting is healthy, and you don't experience a power outage. Please be aware of which drive you are selecting, and back up the disk before you try a conversion as a precaution. Method 1. Make sure you have the device you wish to format plugged in and turned on. Once the device has been recognized by your computer, click the Windows Start button. Next, click Computer. Locate the drive you wish to format, left-click to select it, then right-click the drive to open the context menu. And select Format. In the menu that pops up, you can see the capacity of your drive. You may notice that your drive isn't the exact size that was specified to you when you bought the device. Don't be alarmed, this is normal. The space that you are missing has been taken up by the drive's formatting files, and other files that allow your device to work with your computer. Next we have File System. The file system of this drive is NTFS, which stands for New Technology File System. If we click the drop-down menu, we can see the different formatting types available. You may have NTFS, FAT32, and exFAT. The difference between the three is: NTFS, New Technology File System, has better security options, allows files that are larger than 4 GB to be written to the drive, and has no partition limit. FAT32, File Allocation Table, is an older file system type that replaced the FAT16 file system. The benefit of FAT32 is its compatibility across a wide range of devices. The limitations of FAT32 is that files over 4 GB cannot be written to the drive, and partitions are limited to 8 TB. It is used mainly for USB sticks and other external devices. exFAT, Extended File Allocation Table, is the modern-day replacement for FAT32. The benefit of exFAT is that it allows for files that are larger than 4 GB to be written to the drive, and has no partition limit. It does not, however, include the same security features as NTFS. Click 1 to make a selection. If you are reformatting your drive to follow the scheduled backup video, select NTFS. The allocation unit size is the block size on your hard drive when it formats. If you have lots of small files, it's good to keep the allocation size small, so your hard drive doesn't waste space. If you have lots of large files, keeping it high will increase the performance by having less blocks to seek out. If you're unsure, just leave it as default. Next we have Restore Device Defaults. This will select the default settings for this device to be formatted to. Next we have Volume Label. If you wish to call the drive a specific name, enter the name here. We will call this drive LinQu. Next we have Format Options. Quick Format will be selected by default. If you uncheck this box, your computer will perform a full format. The difference between quick and full format is, quick format deletes information as it writes the new file system type. Full format deletes everything first and then writes the format type to the drive. Once you have chosen your preferences, click Start. You will have a warning menu pop up saying, "Warning, formatting will erase all data on this disk." To format the disk, click OK. To quit, click Cancel. Click OK, and the process will start. Wait until the device has finished formatting. This may take a few minutes, just be patient. Method 2, if you need to change the format of your hard drive without losing any data, here's how. I will create a new text file inside the drive we wish to convert, to show that the file was kept after the conversion. To be on the safe side, it is recommended to back up the device before trying this procedure. Murphy's Law, what can happen, will happen. This tool is meant to keep your data, but things don't always go to plan. Once you have backed up, click the Windows Start button. Type into the search box CMD. Right-click CMD. And select Run as Administrator in the context menu, and click Yes to the user account control confirmation. Once command prompt has popped up, type convert.exe space, / ? And enter. This is the convert.exe command help menu. As you can see just here, the command syntax. To perform this task, you will need to know the drive letter of the drive you wish to convert. To find the drive letter, click the Windows Start button. Click Computer. At the top of each drive there is a letter: C drive, E drive, F drive, and so on. Be aware that you cannot convert your C drive this way, unless you fully understand what you are doing. We will keep it simple. Note the letter above the drive you want to convert. The drive I'm doing is H drive. Back in the command prompt menu, type convert.exe space, your drive letter, followed by a semicolon, space, / capital F, S, no space, semicolon, no space, and in all capitals, NTFS. The command should look like this, but with the letter H as your drive's letter instead. Once you have confirmed your drive letter is correct, press Enter and Windows will convert your drive. Please wait, as this may take a while depending on the size of the drive you are converting. Once Windows has finished converting your drive, you can exit the command prompt. And all of your file and folders should still be saved on the device.